Hi, today I'm for the Samsung Galaxy A34 and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display option on this device. So first let's open the settings and then scroll to the lock screen section. Then tap here to Always On Display. Here, if you want to change the clock style, tap on this section and now we can use one from this available stickers or to use your images from the gallery. For example, let's use this bicycle. Tap to done. Also we can switch here the color of the date and time. If you want to use the clock, you should use one from these available clocks here. So click to done to save the changes. If you want to see the music information on the LED screen, click on the swatcher. You can swatch also screen orientation, to use auto brightness or to turn it off. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.